Hi friends, welcome to our channel English Learning. In this video we learn meaning of atrocious in English and Hindi with example sentences. Atrocious meaning in English is very cruel, terrible, horrible, evil, brutal, offensive. Atrocious का हिंदी मतलब होता है घोर पापी, अति दुष्ट, अपमानजनक या निर्दयी. The minister made some atrocious statements about the environment. मंत्री ने पर्यावरण के बारे में कुछ अत्याचारपूर्ण बयान दिए. The conditions of the prison were atrocious. जेल की स्थितियां निर्दयी थी. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.